So before this video gets started, if you recently signed up to be an Uber driver, but you forgot to use a referral code to get your promo of up to $1,000, it's okay. I'm gonna leave 7 steps down below to apply a referral code retroactively. It takes about 30 seconds and you can do it right in your Uber driver app. A lot of people don't know that. It's not too late. You can actually go back and apply someone's code. Obviously, if you haven't signed up yet, you can just sign up normally. I'll have links down below for both Uber and Lyft. Just follow the steps down below and you can get your bonus or guarantee of up to $1,000. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So sorry this setup is a little bit different than usual. I don't have my tripod, which I usually set up in my car and whatever. I just got my car detailed though, and I'm super excited, which I'll show you guys in a second. But before I show you guys, the Uber CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, just raised rates for drivers. He finally raised rates for drivers. I know it's a very common thing that Uber tries to raise rates, but they always somehow cut rates for drivers. But I'm actually pretty pumped because this is directly applying to drivers in California, and I'm in California, so I'm excited to report on this. But yeah, look at this, guys. Look at my car. Oh my gosh, I just got it detailed. I met a guy who was detailing or washing my neighbor's. I asked him if he could detail mine, and look how clean this is, guys. I haven't had my car this clean in so long. I mean, look, even look at the tires. It looks amazing. You can see me, obviously. But like even the seats have these like lines in them. Like that's how amazing it looks back here. I haven't had this car clean in a while, and you guys know I bought this car used for $5,000. So you know, it wasn't in horrible shape, but you know, it has little spots and stuff here and there. A few things are broken, this thing's missing, but like, I don't know, it just feels so nice to have a car that's like, all of the seats were shampooed, everything just is in really good shape. Obviously I have a few scratches and, you know, even a little scratch right there, but for the most part, it doesn't really matter. Your car doesn't need to be super nice. You don't need to buy a 2020 car. You don't need to buy a brand new car to do Uber and Lyft. And actually, I don't recommend. Why? Because you're probably gonna end up losing money on depreciation if you do buy a new car. So this car here, guys, hasn't even gone down in value in 2 years. I know that's crazy to say. Well, it's gone down in value a little bit, but I bought it. I got a good deal on it, and so now I could honestly resell it for the same price I bought it for, which is crazy. So now we're gonna get into the video, guys. This is Uber's CEO raises the rates for drivers. If you could please leave the video a big thumbs up if you want to continue seeing this trend of the Uber CEO raising rates for drivers. Just leave the video with a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. So Uber CEO just raised some rate, just sent out an email to me the other day. Prop 22 versus employment. So he goes, "Hi Dylan, 72% of drivers and delivery people have already said they're voting yes on Prop 22. It's coming up next month, almost. November, so that's soon. Prop 22 would protect the flexibility of drivers and delivery people like you value, while also delivering new benefits you deserve, including," oh, gotta block that light so it doesn't look all weird. Whoa, what the heck? How do I do that? Is that good? An earnings guarantee. So this is the rates. So earn at least 120% of minimum wage plus 30 cents per mile for expenses with no upper limit on how much you can earn. So basically he raised the rates for drivers to make money on trips. 30 cents per mile plus 1.2 times minimum wage, which here is, that would come out to 15 bucks an hour. plus 30 cents per mile. Which, if you do the math on that, I mean, you're gonna probably you're kind of incentivized to stay in traffic, right? Because 120% of minimum wage, that's 15 bucks an hour, plus the 30 cents. And then also not only rates, but healthcare benefits too. Receive a stipend of at least $300 a month, depending on how much you drive, toward health insurance or medical care. Occupational accident insurance, cover medical bills if you're injured while driving. Let's take a look at all those three things really quick. So the Prop 22 and healthcare benefits. If you drive or deliver an average of 15 hours a week, you're eligible for at least 150 bucks a month for healthcare medical costs. If you drive or deliver an average of 25 hours a week, you're eligible for the full contribution of $300 a month. So it's an extra $300 a month that you can put towards healthcare and medical costs. Just really awesome. That's a lot of extra money. I mean, that could cover your medical bills, you know, the co-pays and all that, the insurance costs. But this is the earnings guarantee, guys. I sent this over to like 19 friends because I thought it was crazy news. But minimum earnings, if you earn less than the guarantee, Uber will pay you the difference. Basically, you will never earn less than this amount. Expense reimbursement, no upper limit, so that's just a guarantee at the bottom, and then tips are on top. So that's honestly decent because the tips are not included in that guaranteed amount. But again, it's en route to pickup and on trip only. Let's make that clear. So I just want to like share this video with you guys because I honestly think it's pretty cool. I'm voting yes on Prop 22. The main reasons I'm voting yes is because of flexibility. I can use Uber, I can use other apps too. I can sign on, sign off whenever I want. And if you look here, they just did the pros and cons of Prop 22. Look at this. Work when and where you want. If you vote yes, if you vote no, they're gonna have to tell you when and where to work, which I don't want. I don't actually use alarms. I don't ever set an alarm. I wake up when I want. So I don't want to have to wake up for a shift, you know what I mean? That's the reason I started doing this job anyway. No upper limit. If you vote no on Prop 22, you're actually hindering yourself from making, you know, good money. Work using multiple apps. If you vote no on Prop 22, you can only use one app, and you also have to accept all trips. But if you vote yes on Prop 22, you can use multiple apps and you can accept all trips, right? Limited number of drivers on the platform. Currently only 20 to 30% of current drivers. So right there, 70 to 80% of drivers will be fired. That's pretty nuts. Yeah, guys, that's the update. I want to hear, maybe if you're not in California, but this could very well be coming to other, you know, other towns as well, other states as well. So do you support this? Do you vote yes on Prop 22? I think this is great. You know, it's a good raise for drivers while still allowing us to keep that flexibility. I just want to hear your guys' thoughts on the whole thing. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want that raise for drivers. Subscribe for more videos, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. Bye, guys.